first of all, Happy Children's Day to all of you. My name is Asma, and I'm class teacher of 3rd B. Now I'm going to represent some jokes in front of you. So, one time, one healthy lady has gone to the doctor. The doctor, she was asking to the doctor the how I can lose my weight. The doctor was saying that you should do one exercise daily. So she was asking which exercise. Doctor told you have to do daily like this. So she asked, doctor, when I will do this? So doctor told that whenever anyone is asking to you something to eat, you should say. Next is one time one police has caught one thief, but thief was having very big bag. So police was asking that from where you have taken this bag. So chor was saying that बताते हैं. So after some time again police asked, what are you having in your bag? Tell me. So chor said, बताते हैं. So now police become angry. Police taking him in the police station. There also the bag was putting, but police was not opening bag. The police was thinking that maybe something bomb and any extra thing will be there. So again police asked to him that what is in this bag? Tell me. Why not telling? Again he was saying बताते हैं. Now police become very angry. The police has opened the bag. In their bag there was so many batashe. Police become angry. Why you are not telling me this is rubbish? Only batashe is there. मैं तो पहले ही टहला था बताते हैं. One time there was a king. There also was 3 thieves were there. So राजा ने उन तीनों चोरों को बुलाया अपने दरबार में. राजा का एक तरीका था, दूसरे तरीके से वो सजा देता था. वो हमेशा सख्त सजा नहीं देता था, कुछ डिफरेंट टाइप की सजा देता था. तो जब 3 चोरों को बुलाया गया तो उस राजा ने कहा उन तीनों चोरों से कि जाओ अपनी अपनी पसंद का एक फ्रूट लेकर आओ. तीनों चोर गए और अपनी अपनी पसंद का फ्रूट लेकर आए. तो सबसे पहला वाला लेकर आया था ग्रेप्स. तो राजा ने कहा अब इसे निगल जाओ, बिना खाए निगलना है. तो अंगूर जो लेकर आया था वो निगल गया. फिर नेक्स्ट जो लेकर आया था एप्पल, तो वो हंसते हंसते मर गया. लेकिन जो उसने अंगूर जिसने निकला था वो भी मर गया, निगलते में वो मर गया. और दूसरा वाला हंसते हंसते मर गया. जो वो ऊपर मिले दोनों दोस्त, वो बोले यार तू तो सेब लेकर आया था, तू तो निगल सकता था, इतना हंस भी रहा था. वो बोला तीसरा वाला तरबूज लेकर आया था. Okay, now I will ask one question. This is riddle. You will give me the answer. A man has gone outside in the rain without umbrella, but his hair did not wet. Even a single hair did not wet. Why? Yes, because he was a bad person. Thank you.